How's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your buttons on your 2010 to 2014 Mustang, and we're pretty much just going to put these brand new buttons. If you have ones that aren't working or you just want to replace them just because the paint has been chipping, this video will pretty much show you how to do that. Alright, so first thing first, pretty much it's the exact same process for both sides on the steering wheel, but right now these don't seem that damaged, and I couldn't find any other OEM ones that match these, but we're going to be changing these buttons right there so it'll look like that. And the first step that you want to do is you want to get off this little plastic trim, and we're just going to use a screwdriver to do that process. What you want to do is you just want to get your screwdriver in between right here. You can obviously use different tools, but basically you just want to keep on pulling until you get this panel piece out and loose. And you just want to be careful with the actual wire connection there, but you just want to take this off nice, slowly and gently. Okay, now once you remove the cover, you just put that to the side, and right here where basically you see right here, you don't want to pull on the wires right there. So what you're gonna do is, let's see if we can try to get that focus. Right there, there's a tiny little clip that is holding this wire assembly. So pretty much we're just gonna grab our screwdriver, and right there we're gonna try to push on that little groove there that's basically holding this. So you just want to push down and pull at the same time. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'll get back to it. I just push in this little tab right there, and this whole wiring assembly will just release, and you just plug in the new one. All right, and just like that, you just pull your old factory buttons just like that. These are still in good condition. The only reason why I chose to replace them is just because I'm soon getting a new steering wheel, and I just wanted to get some fresh new buttons, because with the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs, they do have this tendency with this issue with the paint chipping. So we're just getting some brand new buttons just to match right there. And it's very simple. You just plug in that wiring clip into there and just put your whole assembly back together. Okay, just like that. We basically slid this housing on this, and basically you just clip it in by pushing it right there, and just want to line it up into those tabs right here. You obviously have the tabs right there. I'm just gonna line those up and push it in just like that. Just want to make sure everything is going well. Just want to massage it in there just like that, and that pretty much completes your whole installation. You guys, so that pretty much completes this whole installation of replacing these buttons for your steering wheel. Now pretty much, if you guys like this content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and stay posted for future content.